Hello guys, this is Ronan from MathX, and today we're going to be solving the number 19 from the first and second grade Math Kangaroo of 2020. Now this problem, in my opinion, does not deserve the place of number 19, because you could solve this problem easily just using some simple counting probability. But anyways, without further ado, let's get started. Mark the bee could walk on only gray cells. How many ways could you color exactly 2 white cells so that Mark can walk from A to B? And the answer choices to this problem is A3, B4, C5, D6, and E7. So the first step into doing this problem is figuring out 2 possibilities. Number 1 possibility will have Mark go in a straight pathway. Like you'd have this gray pathway go straight to this pathway. Or you'd have A go straight to this pathway, or you'd have this gray tile goes straightly to B. So you see here, there would be 3 possibilities for that possibility called straight possibility. So we will label that as possibility 1. Possibility 1. So now we have another possibility here. And that possibility is having a diagonal pathway. So basically, you have this pathway, instead of going straight like this, you would have it go to here, and then after it reaches here, it will go here in those 2 tiles. So this is another possibility we could have. Then there's also another tile here that can also do that, and that is this one right here. It can go here and then here. So let's just draw that out. Yes. And we will label that as possibility 2. Possibility 2. Now we need to find out how much of those possibilities are there for each of them. So possibility 1 is having a straight path, and you can just count this out here. You'd have a straight line here, 1, then a straight line here, 2, and a straight line here, 3. And then for possibility 2, we figured out there are 2, because as you saw here, we could have this one go to this one, and we'd have 2 tiles, but in a different direction right there, and we could have this tile have these 2 tiles go in this direction, because it still connects to that line. And just saying this now, we can't have that for A, because there's no other tiles next to it, so it can't go like that. So we figured out there are going to be 2 possibilities for possibility 2 and 3 for 1. So we have here 3 and then 2. So now when we add up both of those possibility amounts, we will get 5, which is going to be answer C. This problem shows you that you don't need to use advanced concepts always with problems. You can just use the basics, the ones that you learn probably in your math book. And you can apply them to these kind of questions and get a points right there on that test. But anyways, as you can see, we have solved this problem, meaning we are now officially finished.